this energy that's residing in your heart. Each stroke is important. Every stroke is important. Every stroke is a release. Finding your own flow of how you need to release. Becoming one with yourself, with the energy that you're feeling, working with this root chakra, the red. Taking a deep breath in through your chakra color. And allow yourself to feel what it is that you feel and release it on the canvas. He's working with this green healing energy in the heart chakra. Allowing yourself to move through the space of forgiveness. Forgive yourself. Allow yourself to release with each stroke. Each stroke is a release. Give yourself peace of mind. Working with this royal amethyst color, you are royalty. Know your worth in your mind. Transformation starts in the mind in this moment. You need to take a moment, take a deep breath in.
Session, and I was able to manifest